guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. I'm trying to get this up on Halloween. If it doesn't happen, pretend that I didn't say that and that I'm not wearing my Halloween Haunted Mansion dress. Isn't it so cute? Not Haunted Mansion, but like spooky house. Haunted house was what I was looking for there. But hi friends, today is going to be my October favorites. I think I skipped September favorites. I think I like sat down to do it and then I only had like 2 favorites and it felt kind of forced and so I just didn't do it. I put a lot of pressure on myself to upkeep certain videos, but I never want to do something that I don't want to do because then it like reflects in the video, if that makes sense. So I just skipped it and nobody said anything. So either you guys don't care or you don't care. And I still don't even have like an overflow of things. I mean, I have plenty of things to talk about, but I thought that like I would have a ton of things to talk about since I skipped last month, but I haven't. And to be completely truthful, I've been going through some mental health stuff, feeling much better, but there were a couple not so great dark weeks. We're gonna just, it's so dark in that corner and so not dark in that corner, whatever. But yeah, not to make light of the situation, it's been a great month, but a rough month in other ways. So I was doing good at the beginning of October, there was a meltdown a little bit in the middle, we're doing better again. So, okay. That's a life update. I also just need to branch out and try new things. Every time I do my makeup, I'm using the same things over and over because I love them so much, but I have new things I need to try as well. So I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I don't have any nail polish. If you missed my fall polish picks, I will link it up in the corner. I talked about some of the newer ones I've tried in that video from the Scotland collection, so I didn't want to talk about them again. And I can't remember if I talked about them in my last favorites video, so I just didn't. But for the month of October, I haven't had anything new on my nails. The first week I had my orange glitter Happy October nails that I do every year, and then the following week I got black on my nails because it was my birthday week and I always get black for my birthday. And then my nails were black for like 2.5 weeks because I kept retouching them up myself, because every time I would try to go get my nails done, I get my nails done in Santa Clarita, which is my hometown. It was burning to the ground, so there was always a fire and road closures, and so I just didn't head that way. So I kept like retouching them here at home and it works out pretty great. I am still gonna do like my FAQ nail video on how I do that in my nail upkeep and whatnot. And then yesterday I got candy cord nails, which I'm so excited about. I got them a little late because yet again, Santa Clarita was burning to the ground, so I couldn't get out there, but I did. We're done. We did it. Love it. But after this, there will be plenty of new nail polish to talk about. I have a lot more of the Scotland collection to try. I picked up the Hello Kitty collection recently, which if you want a short haul on that, let me know. If not, I could probably wait for like a winter polish picks video. But let's go ahead and get into makeup first. So I have a primer. This is by First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This has really cute packaging because it was part of their like 10th birthday, I think. They sent me a PR package full of some of their like holy grail things, which I haven't tried yet. I know it has like the First Aid Beauty cream that everybody talks about, like the moisturizing cream, has some peel pads, and I think a cleanser, something. Like I said, I need to branch out and try more things, but I have been trying this and loving this. I mentioned this in my Friday faves on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, do it. But mainly I've been doing Friday faves every Friday on Insta stories where I swipe you up to some of my favorite things throughout the week. So a lot of the stuff you may have seen there, but there's actually quite a few things you haven't seen there yet either. So yeah, if you want favorites on a more weekly basis, don't forget to check that out. I've been using this for about probably 2 months. And I love it. I find it so moisturizing. And to be honest, I don't know if it's a primer or a moisturizer, but I've been using it as a primer. It smells incredible. It feels incredible. And I just feel like it's a nice base for makeup to go on top of. I have dry skin, so the more moisture, the better for me. Yeah, and it says it's safe for sensitive skin. It hasn't broken me out at all. And I'm wearing it today under my foundation. I love it so much. So wanted to mention that. This is my new favorite thing. This is the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I mentioned I did a haul video at Ulta Haul. I'll link that up in the corner. And I talked about how I had the big Benefit palette, but I didn't ever reach for it except to use the cookie highlighter. So then when I saw they came out with this on its own, I bought it, and I've been using it much more because for some reason, even though I love blush and highlighter and contour and all that stuff, I don't really reach for a blush palette. I don't understand why. It just is what it is. But this can live in my everyday makeup drawer. I'm reminded of it and I love it. I'm wearing it today. It's not really that similar to my favorite highlighter, which is as we know, the Kylie Cosmetics Cotton Candy Cream. This is kind of champagne, but a little bit more on the pearl side. So I feel like it's gonna be super pretty for like the winter time. I always like to wear more of like a frosty pearl highlight in the winter time, but this is gorgeous. I love it. In case you didn't know that it came out separately, it did. My Kylie one has gotten a good break because I've been reaching for this constantly, and people are revving their engines outside and it's rude. And one more quick men. You know that's a man. One more quick makeup favorite. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Diamonds Lip Topper, which I talked about this again in that Ulta haul. I will swatch it for you. It's kind of just like a rose gold, you're not gonna be able to see that, like a rose gold shiny lip topper, and I love it. I'm not much for like lipstick, but this is so nice. I wore it on my birthday to my birthday party, and it just adds such a nice like little bit of shine and glitter to your lips. Like, I don't know, I'm sure not everybody's into like the glittery lip life, and like I'm not either, but just the subtle amount of it in this I love. The packaging is beautiful as well, and I just have really been enjoying just putting, what I would normally do is put like my NYX lip oil on, and then I'll take a little bit of this and just dab it right on top, mix it all together, and then it's just like a really like high gloss, high shine, little bit of like gold, rose gold color to my lips, and I just love it. So wanted to mention that as well. That is it for makeup. I have a quick hair care favorite, which I love both of these, and you know, when it comes to LUSH, they're LUSH products. When it comes to LUSH, I normally just go for the bath products, the bath bombs, the bubble bars, the seasonal stuff. That's what really got me into LUSH, but I started trying some of their skincare, which you guys know some of their skincare like are some of my staple favorites. I've tried a few hair care items. Well, actually just probably the shampoo bar, the Godiva shampoo bar I love. Also in that beauty haul I recently uploaded, I showed you guys a PR package that they sent me, which I'm really grateful for because I probably wouldn't have tried these outside of that, but now I know to try more from LUSH because they come out with really great products, and this is not sponsored. And yes, they send me things to review and to talk about. I don't have to review them. Okay, I'm getting away from myself. They send me things out of kindness for my consideration. If I want to talk about it, I can. I lost my train of thought. Oh, just that I love them as a company. They do a lot of great things for the LGBTQ community. They do a lot of great things for fighting animal cruelty, for the environment. They're just I really enjoy them as a company, and I've made some friends through LUSH, which is really exciting. All that to say, I love LUSH. So they sent me a PR package of some of their hair care. Most of it was some of the new shampoo bars, which I really need to try. I'm bad with like hair care products because, well, number one, I never wash my hair, and number two, I don't like to have a bunch open in my fridge at once. My fridge. My shower. And also, as I say that, I literally have 4 shampoos in there right now. There's just so much to try. But these immediately went in my shower because I wanted to try them. So this is the new shampoo they came out with. It's called Wasabi Shan? I don't know. It has wasabi in it, and when you smell it, it does have a bit of a kickback of like just the smallest hint of spicy, but to me it mostly smells like candy. It smells incredible. I love the way it smells. But more so, I was having an issue with my hair being staticky, and I'm not even sure why. Maybe they changed the formula of my normal Tresemme Keratin Smooth shampoo and conditioner. I don't know, but my hair was being staticky, and when I used these two together, I didn't have that issue anymore. It was a really weird problem. But this is like for scalp stimulation and to like help your scalp, and you can really feel it kind of tingling, kind of the way like a tea tree or a peppermint shampoo would. I was nervous about the wasabi like getting in my eye or burning my skin, but it doesn't. It just feels really nice and stimulating and good. Smells incredible, and I love the LUSH hair products, or the ones I've tried, because it leaves a little bit of a lingering scent so you can smell it all day, but it's nothing like overbearing. You just kind of catch it every now and then like, oh, I washed my hair. And then the matching conditioner, not matching, but the conditioner that's new that they sent is called Candy Rain. It smells incredible. You guys, it smells like, I don't even know, like a bunch of vanilla frosting with cocoa butter in it. It smells incredible. I really like it. I'm picky about my conditioners because I have a lot of hair, but the hair itself is really fine, so it can get like greasy or weighed down easily. So I'm very picky. I like my hair to be kind of like light and bouncy when I curl it, and this gives me that. And yeah, I love it. In November, I have a lot of videos I want to do, but I do want to get an updated hair care routine. I did one, I think like 4 years ago, in which things are still pretty much the same. It's just I've been trying new products, so we can talk all about that in that video. But yeah, just wanted to share and itch my nose. And then a nice segue into body products. I am obsessed with this bath bomb. I feel like I've sung its praises in multiple videos, but I just am obsessed with it. I wish it was like an all-year bath bomb. Oh my god, it smells so good. To me, it smells like fall, but also like Lush, and it's like the perfect combination. And as you're watching this, hopefully on Halloween, or if it goes up later, but whatever, on Halloween night, Mercury is in retrograde, so that's why they made this, so you can take a Mercury in retrograde bath, which I will certainly be doing. And I also demoed this. You can like see it in action in my latest cozy nighttime routine. I will link it up in the corner. But yeah, I love this bath bomb. I've already used it like 3 times. I have a couple more on hand, and I kind of want to go buy some more because I love it. So I wanted to recommend that if you wanted to pick one up before they go out of stock. I love it. This is technically a body favorite, but this is an essential oil. This is made by Young Living. This is called Progessence Plus, which I heard a lot about. And once you start using Young Living, and if you're like into it and you start following people on YouTube and on Instagram and learning more about ways you can use the oils, there's certain like key products that everybody talks about, and this one was like one of the top 3. So basically this is supposed to support your menstrual cycle, your womanness. That doesn't make sense. But my cycle has been all over the place, probably for like the last year. And I'm also learning a lot about hormones and hormone disruptors and, you know, your hormones and your gut, and everything is kind of like related to your mental health. So I've been trying all sorts of things to just kind of like try to ease my anxiety and my OCD and just kind of like balance out my body. And a lot has to do with hormones. Like your hormones control your whole body, which is really weird. So I was looking into hormone support and cycle support because I wanted to regulate my cycle. And so everybody talks about this. I picked it up myself. I was kind of worried about how it was gonna smell just because I had no idea. But to me, it smells very florally, but spearminty, which I love both of those things. It smells really, really good. And it's really relaxing. The way I use this is it's basically progesterone to try and I don't even know what it does, but it's not like the chemical or whatever progesterone. It is like the actual kind of progesterone that your body makes that they extract from wild yams and some, I don't even know. But so what I do with this is I put it on my forearms every other night, just 2 drops, and I rub it together. I also use this in my nighttime routine. I've been using this for about 4 months, and this is so much TMI, but I don't care. My last 3 periods have been 32 days, which is what I normally am. I've never been a 28-day kind of girl. It's always been 32 days. So the last 3 months, I've been right on time, which is really nice to kind of like, I mean, I don't know if it'll stay that way. And of course, I'm sure certain months things are different, but it's just kind of nice to know exactly when it's coming. Like, oh, for instance, I know it's going to be coming right in the middle of my Disney World trip, but it's okay. But yeah, I just wanted to mention it. It's really like changed my period. So I wanted to give it a shout out because, I mean, I can only assume it's this because it's the only thing I've like done productive towards my cycle. And I know a lot of people use this on their skin as well, which I haven't tried that yet, but maybe I will and I'll let you know. Speaking of hormone disruptors, I have a perfume favorite. But this is the Peony and Blush Suede Cologne perfume from Jo Malone. I mentioned this again in that beauty haul. I'm really talking about that beauty haul a lot, but got a lot of this stuff in there as well. But I bought this as a treat to myself for my 30th birthday, and I've been wearing it. I'm trying not to wear it a lot because this stuff is expensive and I'm probably not going to want to buy it again, but I'm just trying to wear it to fancy events. So I went to 2 weddings after I bought this, so I wore it to that, my birthday party on my birthday obviously, and it just smells so good. It's hard not to wear it every day, but I have just been loving it. And with the holidays coming up, this would be great to put on your Christmas list, or if you want to gift it to somebody else. It's great. And then my last 2 favorites are kind of lifestyle. The pins. I love hair barrettes all of a sudden. And specifically pearl ones. So I have created quite a collection. This one was given to me by Bradley's cousin, now my cousin, on my birthday, which if you haven't seen, I did a birthday gift haul in Vlogtober week 2, so I'll link that up in the corner. So I wore this a couple of days, I was obsessed, and then I was at the mall and I bought all of these. So I got this set of 2 from Bobble Bar, but you can find it at Nordstrom. I will have them linked down below, but you get a square one and then just like a normal barrette size, and they're like a little bit pink, which I thought was super cute. And I actually really like the square size. I think that's fun. And this comes in all the colors. It comes in this color, it comes in black, silver, kind of like a bronze color, a lavender, which I kind of really want. So just wanted to mention those because I've been loving that. And then I got a set of 4 from Anthropologie, which I love as well. They're more of like the clasp situations, which is kind of nice to like keep your hair out of your face while you're doing your makeup. But one of them is like this super long hair clip, and then the other one is this like square one, which I wore this to a wedding last weekend and I totally loved it. So I love the look of it. I love that like the 90s hairstyle is coming back, but mainly I love that it keeps my hair out of my face. Like I like to have my hair down because putting it up can give me headaches throughout the day, which is annoying. But now like it's just nice to like, when I'm doing things, my hair isn't rushing to my face, if that makes sense. So I've been loving it. I also think it just kind of like adds, cause like to that wedding, I wore kind of a plainer dress, but I felt like just the clip in my hair kind of made me look a little bit nicer. Wore my pearl earrings to match it, and I'm loving it. So expect to see barrettes in my hair all the time now. And then last but not least, I know Halloween is over, but this is still kind of like fall Thanksgiving appropriate. I got this dish towel from Anthropologie that is so cute. It has pumpkins and gourds all over it, and it just says hello gorgeous. I loved it. I got it while it was 15% off or 20% off. I don't know. I got $5 off of it. I don't know if that coupon is still good, but it's just so cute. I've been using it in the bathroom. I think it's technically like a kitchen towel, but I love the way it looks in the bathroom. So I just wanted to mention that if you liked it and thought it was cute, to pick it up before Thanksgiving. But yeah, opening my Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall box next year, I'm gonna see this and I'm gonna be like, oh, I forgot about that. Amazing. So yeah. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this favorites video. If you want to watch past months favorites videos, I'll link them up in the corner. That was a weird plug, but if you want to do that, there's a whole playlist for it. But yes, if you're watching this on Halloween, I hope you have a really happy, fun, safe Halloween. I'm sad it's over, but as I like to say, Halloween is not just a holiday, it's a lifestyle. So great. But I will see you guys very soon with a new video. I'm going to Disney World real soon, guys. Like, real soon. Which, speaking of, I'm pretty positive I'm gonna vlog there, and if I do, how do we want to upload the vlogs? Last time I did 5 separate ones, which was kind of a lot. Should I compile them all into one? Should I do the separate days? Should I not even vlog at all? Just let me know how you feel down below in the comments. And leave me requests for November videos. What do you want to see? There will be plenty of holiday videos in December, but we can get cracking in November as well. So just let me know what you guys want to see down below. I love you. I'll talk to you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.